Hello, clever students. Today we are going to start with a base chapter for grade 7 in physics, which is matter. In our chapter, I will help you to know three things. First, you will know after continuing this chapter with me what is matter. You will know the three states of matter and their properties, and you will become able to classify them. What is matter? When you want to answer this question, you should look to the space. In a room, in a house, and on earth, anything that takes space from this area, it should be called matter. Whatever the thing taking space, okay, then it is called matter. As a conclusion from this definition, everything on earth is matter. But this matter exists in three states. There is three types of matters, solids, liquids, and gases, and we are going to explain them later. Solid, we will start with solid because it is the simplest state of matter. When we want to discuss matter and to understand the difference between the three types of matter, we should look for three things: the shape, the mass, and the volume of this matter. In the case of solid, its shape, of course, will be definite. When we will hold a chair, which is solid, or whenever you hold anything that is solid, its shape does not change when you hold it, okay? It does not change its shape. For mass is the quantity of matter. If we change the place of a solid or we hold it, does the quantity of matter contained by this object will change? No. Then the mass of a solid will be definite always, okay? For volume, we will always go back to its definition. Volume is the space occupied by an object. To understand this property, let us take a chair, for example, in class 1. This chair is taking a specific space in class 1. If I change the place of this chair from class 1 to class B, does the space occupied by this chair will differ? Of course, no, because the space occupied by the chair is the same in class 1 and in class 2. Wherever I put this chair, it will occupy the same space. Then its volume is always definite, okay? In general, then solids will always have the same and the definite volume. A conclusion, the first type of matter, which is solid, will always have a definite shape, definite volume, and definite mass. In this photo, we see three examples of solid: colored pencils, basketball, and a chair, which will always look the same and will always occupy the same space whenever I hold them and wherever I put them. Starting with the second type of matter, which is liquid. Liquid differs from solid in the property of shape. Liquid does not have a definite shape always because it takes the shape of the container because it is a fluid. For example, if we have water in a cup, then we poured this water into a bottle. The shape of the water in the cup differs from the shape of the water in the bottle. Liquid, when we pour it from a container into another, it takes the shape of the container. For that, it has a non-definite shape. But for mass and volume, yes, it have definite mass and volume, simply because the space occupied by the liquid or its mass will not change if you pour it from one container into another. In this photo, we will observe some examples of liquids: orange juice, salad dressings, cough syrup. At the end of this video, I shared with you these key points that summarizes our chapter: what is matter, the three states of matter and their properties. In the next time, we will discuss and explain together what are gases, okay, and what is this matter. I will leave you with this entertaining application to solve it alone at home when you finish your chapter. See you in another video, and good luck.